Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Congratulations, you made it to installing Anaconda and you can now access your Jupyter Notebook. So what are we going to be doing today? Today we're going to learn how to open files. Probably you've been working with a file or you downloaded the code, you downloaded an IPYNB file and you want to access it. How do you do it? It's very easy. Once you open your Jupyter Notebook, once you launch your Jupyter, it will bring you to this, and once you see this interface, what you're going to do is select where you have the file downloaded to or the directory you've been working with. So in my case, I want to access our very first video we did. So what am I going to do? Now it's on my desktop. So I click desktop. Now I have a folder called Tech with Array. I open the folder. I have lectures. I hit on my lectures. I have Python for data science. I got that. Quite a tedious process, isn't it? Now I have so many files there. What did we work with? This was the first video we did, Tech with Array lecture 1. So I click on it and it's going to give us the same code we had in the last class. So let's just so this is what we did the last time. The code we did, we created a variable, we tried creating a variable by telling it the data type, and we got this. So this is just it, the exact same thing we did the last time. So guys, if you have a notebook you've been working with, this is how to access the notebook. You can just go to the directory where you created the file and open it. If you have a file you downloaded, wherever you download it, or move it to any working directory that is easy for you, then you just open and then continue your work. Thank you guys. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos. Thank you guys.